Seriously, look at this. It starts out as a completely random, cheap piece of everyday junk. But in literally a few seconds, it transforms into a high-end luxury cement planter that looks like it belongs in a designer home showroom. If you've been scrolling through YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok lately, you've almost definitely run into these videos. They are pulling in millions of views right now, completely blowing up, and a lot of creators are totally missing it. Today, we're breaking down why the artistic cement planter niche has absolutely exploded, the secret psychology that keeps people completely hypnotized, and exactly how creators are riding this wave before it hits total saturation. Because make no mistake, this isn't just one lucky video or a single viral fluke. This is a predictable, repeatable format that works over and over again. If you look across the channels capitalizing on this right now, these videos are pulling down massive, reliable numbers. We're seeing individual clips hit 2 million, 3 million, even 4 million views just by feeding the algorithm this exact same content loop. The data tells us one thing clearly: people just cannot get enough of these visuals. But to understand how to actually make money from this, we have to look past the surface. This isn't really about gardening or DIY, it's just pure human psychology. Why are people so utterly hypnotized by this? It honestly comes down to three core psychological triggers built right into the material itself. First, you have the satisfying cement physics. We are naturally obsessed with watching materials change form. The pouring, the thick dripping, the smoothing, and especially that moment when the mold gets peeled away. Second, there's the ordinary to luxury contrast. Cement is cheap, industrial, and inherently gritty. It's literally sidewalk material. But these videos transform that basic medium into an artistic, expensive-looking piece of decor. That stark contrast gives the viewer a massive sense of emotional satisfaction. Third, it leverages a powerful curiosity hook. When a video starts with someone wrapping wet fabric, a plastic basket, or bubble wrap around a basic bucket, your brain instantly creates a curiosity gap. You find yourself asking, how on earth is that ugly setup going to become a beautiful planter? You're essentially forced to watch until the final seconds just to see the payoff. From a creator's perspective, this format is an absolute goldmine for one major reason: endless variety. One of the biggest traps in faceless video creation is running out of ideas or boring your audience with the exact same uploads. But with artistic cement planters, the format is endlessly remixable. Don't want to use a towel mold today? Use a laundry basket. Done with baskets? Pivot to a bubble wrap texture. Want to switch it up entirely? Focus on intricate geometric carvings, high-relief art, or colorful mosaic finishes. Because you can endlessly swap out the molds, the textures, and the final reveals, your viewers get a hit of fresh novelty every single time, even though you are running the exact same production blueprint. It yields massive viewer retention, and the best part? The script writing barrier is incredibly low. So, what is the ultimate strategic play here? Where are we on the clock? Right now, we are sitting right in the early to mid-stage of this niche. People still have a massive appetite for this aesthetic, and the algorithm is actively rewarding creators who can deliver high-quality, satisfying texture reveals. However, because the barrier to entry is low and the visual format is so straightforward to replicate, this niche is going to get crowded fast. Over the next few weeks, we are probably going to see a lot more channels jumping on the cement trend to cash in on the traffic. If you want to take advantage of this, the move is to jump in right now while the momentum is strong. Focus on clean physics, push the boundaries of the unusual molds, and make your final luxury reveals look as stunning as possible. The trend engine is running hot. The only question left is whether you're going to watch from the sidelines or grab your own slice of the pie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more trend breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.